So what is a Wi-Fi mesh and how does it work? And also, what is the difference between a Wi-Fi mesh and a range extender like this? In this video, I'll be answering all those questions, plus doing an unboxing of this Wi-Fi mesh system by Rockspace, and I'll be giving away 1 unit.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I ever need,
What's up everybody, my name is Sean, welcome to my tech channel. Today we're checking out the Wi-Fi mesh system by Rockspace. Let me tell you what I'm excited about this one. A couple months back, I did an unboxing and review of their Wi-Fi extender. That review got thousands of views. Many people who commented in the video, they purchased it, they loved it. And once I heard they came out with a mesh system and they were gonna give me one to try it out, I was super excited. So stay tuned. At the end of the video, I'm gonna tell you the instruction how you can enter the drawing to win a brand new system. Before we get started, I wanna thank you for coming back for yet another video if you're an existing subscriber. And if this is the first time you're stopping by, thank you so much. Hopefully you enjoy tech content like this. And please consider subscribe and stick around for future videos. And at the end, don't forget to give me feedback whether you like this video or not. So first, let me tell you what is the difference between a Wi-Fi mesh and a range extender. A range extender is when you have dead spots or slow zones inside your house because they're far away from your main router. You can place this somewhere in the middle where it can actually get good or decent reception, and then this is going to extend the range further out into its surroundings. These work absolutely fantastic, and these are great budget options if you're trying to get rid of those dead zones inside your house. But the biggest downside of a Wi-Fi range extender is it creates a different SSID. So you're not gonna have that seamless connection and roaming when you're going from room to room inside your house. On the other side, a Wi-Fi mesh would actually take care of that one problem. So it's going to create a Wi-Fi mesh in your entire house with one single SSID, so that way you can connect your devices once, just like how you used to connect to your router. Now you're just gonna connect to this SSID and you can roam around inside your house as you like. So let me tell you about some of the cool benefits of this system. Number one is it is very smart about recognizing the closest and fastest hub so you can have the most optimum connection to the internet. And because there are going to be multiple hubs throughout the house, you don't have to worry about how far your furthest hub is from the router. It's going to use the hubs and trying to connect to the main router. And this is all done seamlessly in the background. The other nice benefit is this offers MIMO technology. MIMO basically is a multiple user wireless connection protocol. It has the ability to communicate with multiple devices at once. This also has QoS, or what is called a quality of service technology. And what that will do, it would recognize the devices that require a little bit more bandwidth and prioritization, and that way it will go ahead allow them to use most of the bandwidth. This is a 3-hub system. It sells for $169, and I should be able to get a coupon code that I will include down in the description below, so definitely check it out and take advantage of it. This right now is by far one of the cheapest Wi-Fi mesh systems out there. Most of them are $200, $300, $400, and we're gonna test this and see how it works. Reliable whole home Wi-Fi connection. A single mesh covers an area of 2,000 square feet, while a pack of 3 reaches almost 6,000 square feet. Plug and play, straight out of the box. Rockspace mesh units arrives paired with to each other. Network assistant at your fingertips. Rockspace mesh can handle simultaneous connections from multiple devices and can also work with Alexa to control your compatible devices. You can get the app on Google Play and App Store. And here we go. So it looks like the top of the box is padded to protect the top of the meshes. Pretty lighter than I thought. So in the box, you get 3 hubs, a data cable, and 3 power cords. The owner's manual is pretty straightforward, color design and step-by-step, but let me tell you how it works. So step 1, go to your router, turn off your router, connect the data cable from your router to the hub, turn the router back on, and then go ahead, power on your cube. It's gonna take about 40 seconds to connect itself to the router. Then you're ready to go ahead, continue with the rest of the installation. At the bottom of each cube, you have a unique password available. So you need to go to your phone that you're gonna download the app to, connect to the SSID at the bottom of your primary node, and use the password provided. Once you're connected, download the app and follow the on-screen instruction. And now you're ready to go ahead, connect your secondary nodes, which is cube 2 and 3. But the good news is the light at the top would actually change color if you have weak connection. It turns yellow for weak connection and red, I think, for no connection. That's also in the owner's manual. So now I'm gonna go ahead, set it up and do some tests. So the installation was super easy. It took me only about 4 or 5 minutes, including the time I needed to go ahead, download the app. So let's check out some of the app features. When you are fully connected and set up, when you go to the app, you see all your connected nodes, you see the quality, the strength, and how many devices are connected. So right now I am the only device, so it shows my iPhone XS Max. And also you can go to each node to try to see its connection quality. And when you go to setting, this is where you get a lot of different features. So one of the more useful features will be the guest network. So you can set that up and you can turn it on and give it a name and password. Parental control, the quality of service, that it will basically prioritize some of the devices that require a little bit more bandwidth available to them, such as if you are browsing or gaming, you can go ahead, turn that on and let the system just go ahead, work through that. You can add more hubs to try to expand your mesh, fast roaming, capacity oriented mode, smart assist, port forwarding, DNS, and so on and so forth. So the app is very intuitive. Now let me show you how I set up the mesh in my house and the test results. So I live in a 3-story house, and let me show you how I did my setup. So my main router right now is on 2nd floor in my living room right here. So the signal coverage is typically something like this. So as you can see, I have some opportunities in these corners of the house. So what I did, here's how I installed the 3 blocks. I put one right here. I put another one on this side. And you want to set them up in a way that potentially some of the coverage will overlap. That way you get the best coverage from your mesh Wi-Fi. So essentially imagine kind of like a range around each of these 3 units. And this is how you end up covering your entire house. My initial connection was 47 download and 54 upload. After I hooked it up to the mesh, when I was standing right here, I was able to get a download speed of 100 and upload speed of 123. When I went ahead to this end of the house, we call this number 2, and did the test, my initial download speed was 11 when I was connected to the main router, and upload speed of 10. When I connected back to the Wi-Fi mesh, my download speed was 100, my upload speed was 120. And then the third test, I did it on the 3rd floor on this corner when originally I had poor connection. So let's call this 3. And the original download speed I was getting was 7 and upload speed of 13 when I was connected to my main router. And when I hooked it back up to the mesh Wi-Fi, my download speed was again 100 and my upload speed 122. And the last but not least, downstairs on this end of the house, which I had the weakest signal, my original speed was download speed of 6 and upload speed of 5. And after I connected it back to the mesh Wi-Fi, I got a download speed of 60 and upload speed of $175. So is this worth the money? At the end of the day, that's the question. Honestly, I don't know why I had never purchased a Mesh Wi-Fi before. You guys just saw the test results. It just simply works and give you a reliable connection throughout your entire house, and it can continue to expand it. So if you have a house that is 9,000 square feet, you can just buy 2 of these units and create a larger mesh. Now, what are some of the pros and cons? Number 1, it's design. It's very simple, chic, and you can actually have it on a coffee table or on your computer desk, and it's gonna look nice. Number 2, the installation was super easy. Just follow the directions. In just a couple of minutes, you'll be done. Number 3, its price. I know it's $170, but compared to what you get and also some of the other competition out there that I told you, it's anywhere from $200 to $400, $500, even $600 for a Wi-Fi mesh system. This is a bargain. As I said before, I will have a coupon code down in the description below. I don't have it as of the time that I'm filming this, but take a look at the description so you won't miss on that. Number 4, the app features. As I went through, it's very intuitive, it's very simple to use, but it gives you a lot of control and creativity over how you wanna control your Wi-Fi, including guest setup as well as parental control. And then number 5, the most important thing, it just simply works. As I was going through the house and trying to test it, I just simply get reliable connection throughout the entire house. Doesn't matter where I'm at, I get connections much better than what I was getting with a single point of contact from my wireless router. What are the cons? Honestly, there's not a whole lot I don't like about these. Maybe they could offer in different colors, maybe the power cord, they could be a little bit longer. They're only about 3 or 4 feet, but I can't think of anything I don't like about this system, honestly. This was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support me and my channel. We are growing rapidly, and this community is absolutely amazing. Thank you for all your support. If this is the first time you're watching, please consider subscribing if you enjoy tech content like this. Don't forget to drop a comment and let me know if you liked the video or not. See you in the next one. So I was gonna forget about the giveaway. Here are the details. You need to make sure you subscribe, like the video, comments down below, let me know why you wanna win one, and turn on your notifications so if you win and I reply back to your comments, you don't wanna miss it. This giveaway is available in the US, so I apologize to my international viewers. You won't be able to enter the drawing, but I would still love for you to subscribe for my future content.